How to go live on Instagram. First, you want to go to your profile. So click on your profile logo at the bottom right. And then from here, you want to make sure that your account is a professional account. And you can switch your account by clicking on the three vertical horizontal lines. And then you want to scroll down and look for account type, which should be under business tools and controls. So you can click on it here and then you can scroll down and you should find switch account type. And you can switch it to personal or creator or professional or business. Currently my account is a professional account, so that's why I see switch to personal or creator. Now you want to go back and click on your profile again. And another requirement to go live is to have 1000 followers. So if you press the plus button here on the top right, you should see what you can do. And one of these options should say live if you have the 1000 follower requirement. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the live option in this list. And once you press the live option, it should be It should open up your camera just like the story. And here you should see a live button, which when you press on, it should start a countdown. And then your live is started and it's broadcasting. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you in the next one.